Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to promote in your book use Pinterest. And this is my own Gumroad dashboard, and this is my everyday sales results, the last month's result here. And specific, I promoting this ebook. It's called Detox Smooth. This is my ebook and made me $400 from one ebook. Now I will show you my Pinterest account. This is my Pinterest profile. Pinterest is one powerful platform for promoting a digital product, specific for niche like health and wellness. I post here every day post about recipes, healthy recipes, smooth recipes, weight loss, and health niche. And this is my best post made me sales on Pinterest. This is a video about smooth. Look at the impression and pin clicks and saves. This generates me a lot of sales from my ebook. And I will show you how to do that step by step. First step, we go to Pinterest trends. Click on Pinterest trends, and here we search about what's going on trends on Pinterest. This is the list keyword grow trends, and here we type your keyword about your book. My ebook is about smooth. Let's write smooth here. This is one keyword. Let's try another keyword like smooth. Write smooth. Now here list of keyword grow to be a trending on Pinterest the next month. I choose one here. Let's choose this monk smooth. Click on it. Look at this analytics here. It's growing the next month. Have a good future on this keyword. Let's copy this specific keyword and go to TikTok. Here we are on TikTok. We passed the keyword on the search bar here. Now, here all the video about this keyword. It's monk smooth. Let's choose one video. Don't have a face or copywriting. Let's choose any video here. This is good, but their face on this video. And this is good too. Don't have any face or any copyrighted. Let's show another videos. This is good too. No have a face or any copyrights. Let's search more. This is good video. It's go viral on TikTok. We don't have any face on this video. It isn't a AI video. It's a real video. Let's copy the link on this video and go to TikTok download website. Now we passed the link video here and click download. We click download button, click close. Now the video it's uploaded on my desktop. And now we go to Canva. Canva, it's a free platform. The video it's uploading. And we click on video and choose the video mobile. Here we choose the video mobile. And the next step, we upload the video. We make it on TikTok. We upload it on here on Canva. The video is uploading on Canva. It takes some time. Now, when the video is uploading, this click on the video here. Click on video and choose the extract audio, remove the music. You can edit now your voice or any free music you want. Look at the video, it's a very good video. Now let's go back to Pinterest. We copy this keyword and go back to Canva. Paste the keyword here, upload the video. That's it. Now the video is uploading on Canva. We go to Gemini. Gemini AI. And we copy the Pinterest keyword first and go back to Gemini. Here you can write prompt or tell Gemini to write you one powerful SEO Pinterest page title with description. Optimize it or focusing on the keyword you give it him. Now we paste the keyword. And we copy all these related keywords too from Pinterest and paste on Gemini. We copy this too. Now Gemini will give me what a powerful SEO Pinterest pin optimize the title with description. Use that keyword. Now we go back to Pinterest and this is all the content generated about this keyword. Now click on here and click create pin. Upload the video here. Edit the cover. Let's edit the cover here. Click here, click done. Now we go back to Gemini, copy the title and paste it here and copy the description too. Paste it here and we go back to Gumroad and copy my ebook link. Copy the link, go back to Pinterest, paste it on here, and here we choose the board, and here you can target your product to ebook here. Now we added a topic, but this video it's about smooth, healthy smooth. Copy the keyword here, paste it, and choose all this related keyword. Now click publish. Now your video is ready. It's linking to your ebook. Anyone shows the video and like it, we click on visit button and go to your ebook. This is my Pinterest profile. This is the video we uploaded. It's a very good. Now anyone click on visit button here. We drive it to my ebook on Gumroad like this. Let's go to my Gumroad page and make my ebook. And this is my one of this video generated me sales use this same strategy. This is all impression the last month. I don't work every day on Pinterest. This is the video. When someone show the video and click on visit button, it's drive it to my ebook on Gumroad and make me sales. This is strategy I will show you. I use it every day. This is the visit button and this is my ebook. That's it in this video. I hope to help you and see you the next one.